These are the steel frames that all the conduits get supported to. What we're creating is we're trying to create a better flow and easier material management. My name is Steve Rose, and I act in the role of helping people. The title would be Corporate Director of Prefab and Packaging, but my role really is to help and support all of Rosendin everywhere. We are the ones that get to determine how we do things, what kind of tools we use, what kind of means, what kinds of methods. Prefab allows us the opportunity to be so much more in control of our destiny when it comes to safety that we are the only ones there that can hurt ourselves. We don't have to ever worry about some other trade impacting us and creating an unsafe condition for our team members. We can do a better job of helping to shape the path and making sure that they have a safer workplace at all points in time. Because part of what we can do is we can bring them into the discussion a lot more.
I'm Adrian Embry, Field Superintendent for a site-specific prefab shop here in Mesa, Arizona. One of the things with our prefab shop is we bring in a lot of those lower experienced people. Like I said, I used to be an apprenticeship instructor, and my whole reason for being is continuing my education, and I want to impart that knowledge onto our next generation, right? Because they're going to be the ones that are going to revolutionize going forward. We're always trying to find ways that we can teach, we can train, we can further our education. At no point in time is anybody perfect and knows everything, right? Stuff changes, processes changes, and we've got to adapt to meet those needs. It doesn't matter if you're, first day on the job or if you're a seasoned journeyman. Everybody has something to offer, and maybe sometimes a second set of eyes is really what it takes to kind of develop a safety practice a little bit better. We can always improve.
Every other week they meet together, they talk about what are things that we can improve on, what are things that they like, and what are things they don't like. So it's direct feedback from the workers to safety. My name is Jeff Adams, Area Superintendent for Rosendin. I'm based in the Sterling, Virginia office. My main focus is on prefab and packaging. For innovation, if we incrementally find ways to improve the flow of what we're building, the same thing we do with safety, we're talking about each day what we're doing and what steps that we can do each day. So with those steps and our innovation, that's how we tie it all together.
When we're working in the pre-construction of the job, we really get to jump into how we're going to put the project together. And the teams that get to participate in that end up with so much more ownership of the work that they're doing. You see it.
One of the first things that comes to my mind in safety is the fact that we are the only ones that are there. We are the only persons that are there, and we are in control of our own destinies.